I bet you didn't know that you could earn a large sum of money by just chatting with people online. There are numerous ways to earn money from home or even make a career out of it, particularly since the pandemic began. We have the opportunity to put our knowledge and skills to good use with the help of the websites I am about to share with you. To put it simply, making money these days is simpler than it has ever been. There is an abundance of internet jobs that pay well and allow you to work from home without the demand for high technical skills. Today, I am going to show you how to make money by offering chat support services online. In this video, I'll explain what a chat support agent does, recommend some resources for getting started, and give you an estimate of how much money you can make in this line of work, so don't go anywhere. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Before I reveal the sites, I'll give you a brief overview of what a typical chat support job entails. As I mentioned before, there is a wide variety of chat support professions available. It could be for any number of reasons, including research, sales, or even customer service. It's not uncommon to find work as a customer service agent, a position that allows you to work from home while answering calls and emails from satisfied clients. Although speaking fluently is usually the only requirement for most jobs, a small percentage of positions do call for specialized training or certification. It is entirely dependent on the types of jobs for which you apply. Outplex is the first on our list for a legitimate work-from-home chat support job. To access their site, just type in outplex.com in your browser and you'll be able to explore their page. This is a well-known automation platform that offers leading voice and digital message solutions to various companies. Simply put, Outplex allowed companies of all stripes to put a personal touch on their product's messaging system to better connect with their customers. The likes of Com100, Quig, and Speakeasy AI are just a few of the major companies that Outplex has collaborated with. Select Explore Careers to be sent to their employment page. Here we see that Outplex provides employment options in the United States, the Dominican Republic, and Colombia, as well as a remote work option for agents. Give Outplex a try and submit your application, as they are always looking for new employees. There are now 28 available positions in select areas for which Outplex is hiring. You may check what kinds of employment they have by selecting a location, or you can select any and then click the search button. Though you might not be able to apply to every job posting you see on chat support, you will likely find several that interest you. Take this for instance, live chat customer service representative. If you were to click on it, you'd be sent to a new page detailing the position's qualifications, duties, perks, and requirements. Read the information, and if it all sounds good to you, hit the link to submit your application for this job. The next step is to upload your resume, email address, and other personal details in these corresponding fields on this other website. Select the checkbox that reads "Yes, I agree" and hit the submit button. For the time being, you can relax as the Outplex hiring staff reviews your application. A formal invitation letter will be emailed to you after confirmation, so be on the lookout for their email. How do you like this video so far? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Support us by giving us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you'll see more of our easy money making videos. Let's get back to our video. Our next platform is one of the best chat support services online, and it's a site called LiveWorld. Head over to liveworld.com and get started from there. This standard online recruitment hub provides opportunities in a wide range of industries, with a focus on moderating content, encouraging user participation, and providing social care services to boost public confidence in the platform's parent company. The social structure of businesses is of great interest in the real world, and this includes everything from social media management and content creation to customer service and support. LiveWorld currently manages over 300 social media properties for large organizations, producing over 100,000 hours of content per year in 70 different languages. If you're interested to finding out more about this service, feel free to visit their website. To get to the meat of why we are here, though, please navigate to the top and select the Services tab. The various services provided by LiveWorld are listed here. There is also moderation and engagement, digital solutions, and research and planning for digital strategies. Let's take a more in-depth look at digital solutions. Live chatbots, mobile apps, and virtual assistants are all part of LiveWorld's service. Applying for a position as a virtual assistant is what would result in you being paid by the hour. Let us check out the careers section to see what we need to do next. LiveWorld has been around for 26 years, so it knows its way around a remote work environment. In LiveWorld, when you scroll past the excellent reviews, you'll see a sampling of the perks offered to staff members. You could take advantage of the company's generous benefits package, which includes health insurance, a health savings account plan to which LiveWorld will make monthly contributions, an extensive employee assistance program, competitive pay in comparison to similar organizations, vacation time, and a work environment designed with remote employees in mind. To become a social media agent for LiveWorld, expand the careers menu and click the orange plus icon. They also have other positions you could also fill in if you are a software engineer or a freelance art director. You will be able to get an overview of the major tasks associated with working as a chat support agent on various social media sites here. You have the option to applying as either a US citizen or a non-US resident. Even though LiveWorld is not accepting applications from people outside the United States at this time, you can still visit this link and fill out the form to be contacted if and when they do. To apply, fill out the information asked for, read and agree to the terms of the employment agreement, and click the orange Apply button. Have you filled out your application with LiveWorld yet? Let me know how the process was for you by sharing your experience in the comments. Let's jump back in. Our third website is one of the leading freelancing websites out there. You have probably heard of Upwork. Go to Upwork.com to get started. You can explore a wide variety of projects and negotiate your own rate on this freelance marketplace. Jobs in many fields including design, marketing, writing, law, engineering, finance, and the field in which we are focusing today, which is customer support, can be found on Upwork. Just hit that link and we will be brought here instantly. The beautiful thing about Upwork and other similar freelance platforms is that you can usually find employment regardless of the country you are located in, and the pricing is entirely up to you. As we scroll down, we can see several members of the administrative and customer support staff working on this platform. These users are regular folks just like you and me who have decided to sell their services on Upwork. Go ahead and select Customer Service Representative, for instance. Here, we can see that several users of the online marketplace are offering their services as customer support representatives for a range of prices. There's a plethora of different hourly wage rates, including $30, $61, $15, $25, and countless others. So these are the independent contractors on the lookout for work. To find available positions, use the search field up here. Simply clicking on it and choosing jobs will narrow the focus of our search to job openings that are being offered by clients. The next step is to input customer support and press enter. Numerous job ratings matching your criteria together with details on salary, schedule availability, and other pertinent factors are listed here. If you're interested in working as a chat support agent from the comfort of your own home, I highly recommend this platform. To get started, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and select the green Sign Up button. Click the I'm a freelancer looking for work button and fill out the form that appears. Give the necessary information, accept the Upwork terms of service, user agreement, and privacy policy, and your account will be made. So there you have it. Getting started is incredibly simple. You may now get paid to interact with customers, carry out market research, close deals, and provide technical assistance. And the best part is, you decide how much you want to be paid per hour, and you can have full autonomy over when and where you would like to work. Have you tried submitting your application to all the sites we have for you today? Which of these sites would you say is the best for starting as a chat support representative? We would love to know your answers in the comment box below. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.